Do you want fix the connection failed problem in Squadbusters? Okay, we are going. Okay, I have two solutions. Okay, for this problem, and the first. Okay, we are going to the configuration in your phone. Okay, and here for the Android you put the application, okay, the option applications, and for the iPhone you're scrolling down, okay, and go to the Squad Busters. Okay, here you click the Squad Busters and you deactivate this option, okay, and for the Android you clear cache, okay. And the second solution for this problem, okay, you go to the App Store or Play Store, okay, and go to your account, and here you have the option notifications, okay. Go to the option notifications, okay, and you deactivate okay this option, okay, and you click the Squadbusters, okay, in the app, and you solve the problem. And bye bye.